In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an auto layout button using Figma. I just have some text written out, so I'm going to select this text. We'll start by changing the font. I want this button to use Enter font. I want it to be bold, and I want it to be all caps. So I'm just using the typography section in Figma to make all those changes. Okay, next, I want to add a background color to this text, and we are going to use auto layout to do that. On my keyboard, I'm going to hit Shift A to create a frame or set it up in auto layout. Now we're going to add color in the background of our frame. So I'm going to fill this frame with a color. Go over here to fill, click the plus sign. Let's make a red button. So I'm going to select red. I'm going to change this text to white. So instead of the black fill on my text, I'm going to go white. And just selecting my frame, I'm going to give it some rounded corners and give it a little bit more breathing room. So in my auto layout panel, I'm just going to increase the padding around my button. And then in the appearance panel, I'm going to give my button rounded corners. So now I have an auto layout button. If I put different text in here, the button automatically is resizing with the text that's inside of it. And this is really the best way to create a button instead of using rectangles and text and overlaying them on top of each other. So that's how you create an auto layout button using Figma. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Cry Studio for more Figma and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.